Do you want to swap a turbo into your truck? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm installing a 63mm fleece turbo and a CP3 conversion into my 2012 Chevy Silverado 3500 dually 6-wheeler life. You need your 6-wheelers, comment below. Let's get into it. Okay, so got it out. Only took 2 hours, which is much better than the first time I did it. It actually wasn't that bad. Just now that I know what I'm doing, so right here you can see this is the coolant port. This is the factory one that was on the truck that the vanes are sticking in, so this one's no good, but you can see this port sticks out past the front cover. And then this one is the fleece one. As you can see, it's very low, does not stick out past the case, so I can't get the hard line to go there. So anyways, that's done. It is what it is. Moving on with the situation. Now that the turbo's out, also up pipes are in from PPE, so it's actually turning into a much bigger upgrade for the truck than expected. But right here is your CP4 pump. This is bad. This one's still good, but these are known to blow up. And like I said, since we had all the issues with the wrong turbo, they sent me a whole new kit for the CP3 conversion. So since we're here, we're going to pull it out. A bunch of these hard lines will come out. You got your doser right here, leads into the DF, squirts fuel into the exhaust to help burn off the soot. Yeah, replace some of that stuff, but this is like a 12 to 14 hour job. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm following the fleece instructions on their website. So I'm gonna put this up and just do a time lapse, see how far I get today. They are next daying the turbo and the kit, so hopefully I can start installing all this stuff tomorrow. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're going to need to get the plate, put it on there, take the gear off here, put it on there, and then we could start installing it. So let's get into that. They gave me some instructions here. I got all the fleece stickers, but we'll go through the instructions. They give you little instructions on cleaning the fuel lines and making sure that there's no debris in any of the fuel lines, the gas tank, or any of that. I am going to switch my filter out just because it is 50% life right now, so just change out anyways. So let's get started. Alright, when you're doing the swap, it's suggested to pull the FCA out right here and check the screen on the outside right here to check for any debris, any shavings. If you have anything on there, you should stop, because that means you have a failure somewhere else, and that is not ideal. So just check it. If you're good, move on with the steps. If you're not, then you need to stop and check other stuff. So this one looks pretty good. There's nothing in the filter that I see. The inside is clean, so we'll continue with this. Need to remove your temp sensor. all back together. I didn't film that because GoPro died, and this has been in my garage for 3 weeks now with everything going on, so just wanted to get it done. It's really hard to do these things and film at the same time because of setting up the camera. Just like, it takes a lot longer than it needs to, so I'm sorry if anyone's upset about that, but it is what it is. But this is going to be the first start on the new CP3 conversion and the turbo. Also got the coolant drained. I put distilled water in it. I'm going to run it and then drain it out. Probably do that, flush the coolant system, and then fill it back up with AC Delco coolant. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so I just got back from driving the truck. I've actually been driving it for a few weeks now. Truck definitely has a lot more power. It's a lot better. I had a permanent like DPF clog code and that went away on its own, so that is cool to see. I had a leaking line and I got that tightened and then it started. That's the first clip you saw in this video. So that got taken care of, and after that primed it and it started right up. The turbo is very loud, but not annoying loud. I kind of am catching myself driving around with no music playing because I like to hear the turbo. But I'm sure if it was deleted, it would be a lot louder. But for now, it's got all the smog equipment on it, so that's probably why it's kind of hard to hear in all the videos. So if this 3-part video series brought you any value, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, check us out on Instagram, and check out downformobbing.com. Lots of apparel, lots of stickers, lots of cool stuff on the website. Until then, see you guys in the next video. Later.